Okay.
You're on.
Hi, I'm Shomita and I'm from Calcutta. My husband is working over here. He's Nirvik. Vijay, Rajan and Nirvik spent a nice time in Vishakhapatnam together about well, 20 years back, I think. Yeah. And after I got married here, I came here. My education is totally in Calcutta. And I'm enjoying myself over here.
Yeah, now
Okay.
we can start.
And then
Why don't you only say that?
I think the question is doesn't mean anything. It's just put in words when she starts do a dear.
When you write, you begin with A, B, C.
Yeah, and when you sing, you begin with do, re, mi.
That's what
Yeah,
you
and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. It goes through the whole thing.
Yeah, do it. You start. You know the full thing. Come on.
Why don't you tell him, like, you know?
You're teaching Suji Kalpana.
Yeah.
We'll faster. Okay. Okay. When you write, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do.
Okay. Do a deer, a female deer, raise a double sign. Me a name I call myself, far long way to run. So an eagle pulling friend, long to follow some. Tea, a drink for jam and bread, that will bring us back to doing. Do a deer, a female deer, ray a drum full of sound.